Alright, so marami nagtatanong sa akin why I don't post classical music content na, I've been posting videos, POVs na tumutugtog ako ng pop songs, ganyan. And minsan mga movie themes, di ba? And I can easily post those things. Pero bakit nga ba hindi classical? Dahil ba hindi ako tumutugtog ng classical? Dapat dahil ba ah, wala akong pagkakataon na mag-film ng mga ganon? And here is actually the reason why. So, if you play in an orchestra, usually, may stand partner ka. So, dalawa kayo palagi. And, of course, when you have someone beside you, you want to respect their space as well. So, hindi ganon kadali mag-video ng performances ng mga classical. Especially kung orchestra setting, di ba? Bihirang-bihira ako gawin. And another thing is, kapag ganun kasi, medyo mas serious di ba? So, I'm not saying na hindi ko binibigyan ng justice yung playing ko ng mga pop songs, no? What I'm trying to say is, when you play classical music kasi, basically, the audience is watching you. Diba? Nakatingin sa yung audience, pinitignan niya yung performance mo, and having a phone in front of the music stand can be a distraction. Diba? So, ako kasi naniniwala ako sa levels of music, na parang yung classical kasi, when you play in concerts, sit-down concerts, dapat ipakita mo din yung etiquette mo na parang, okay, this is something more serious than, party music, more serious than, it's listening for, the audience is listening for the music's sake. They're not trying to celebrate other things na yung music is just the background of that. They're there for the music. And kapag nagpo-post ka ng ganito kasi parang, syempre, nakaka-distract talaga. No? Kasi, ikaw yung pinapanood tapos video mo yung sarili mo. Medyo awkward yun, di ba? So, meron akong, siguro for a lack of a better term, yung solemnity, solemn ba yun, ng isang concert kasi. We want to preserve that magic, that moment, di ba? That's why, the best I could do pag classical yung mga concerts is behind the scenes or rehearsal footage. Actually, sa rehearsals nga din, parang awkward din na mag-video ka kasi, 'di ba? Kailangan fully focus ka doon sa ginagawa mo. Now, yung mga pop kasi madali because again, we're not the stars of the shows usually. Yung mga pinopost kong content about with me playing, 'di ba? Ano ba yung trabaho namin? Background music, lounge music, no? Yes, people will watch you, but they're there for other things, di ba? They're there to relax and unwind. So, hindi ikaw yung main focus. Parang ganon. And mas madali kasi wala akong katabi sa stand minsan, di ba? Solo-solo, string quartet, di ba? Kung meron man akong katabi, iPad lang naman yung ginagamit. So, walang problema sa page turning. Hindi sa gabal yung phone sa harap. No? So, lalo na siguro kung mga solos, no? Mahirap mag-POV content ka habang tumutugtog ka ng solo. No? So, may levels din pa rin yung music kasi. No? That's why I don't post much. But if I can, I try, di ba? Kung mga concerts, ganyan, mga recitals, we try our best. Pero hindi yung POV na kaharap mo ko sa music stand. Because again, we want to preserve wala na bang ibang term? Parang, di ba? Basta, nag-gets yun naman siguro where I'm coming from. That's why, if you want to do it, wala naman sigurong masama. But, you have to be a little bit discreet pag ganyan. Kasi, they're watching you. No? Especially kung mga sit-down concerts. No? Siguro, iba rin yung pag-pop yung concert, ganyan. Mas loose yung mga tao. Pero pag classical kasi, di ba? The audience are very formal yung nature. So, kailangan mag-act tayo according to what we're trying to perform, di ba? Mamaya tutugtog ka ng symphony tapos may cellphone ka sa harap mo tapos tumutugtog ka, di ba? Medyo awkward eh. Although, some people can do it, especially kung wala kang katabi. Paano kung may katabi ka? Tapos ayaw nung katabi mo na nafi-film sila or ayaw nila nang nandun yung phone mo. Kasi nga, minsan naglilipat ng papel, 3-4 pages, so kailangan ilalatag. Yung cellphone mo, magiging distraction yun sa pagtugtog. So we have to respect the craft and respect ourselves as well. Diba? Respect the audience, respect the people who's watching you. And may mga bagay na we should leave it in the concert halls. That's why we don't like filming concerts, 'di ba? Kasi hindi makaka-capture yung essence ng isang live performance, especially yung mga classical nga. Or even, mas formal setting. It's a different level of appreciation yung kailangan, or different level of experience versus, playing in a lounge. Medyo mas casual nga yung setting. I'm not saying na mas mababang uri siya. It's just a different type of music. So, yun lang. Siguro, if you are also doing this, just be a little bit discreet kung talagang gusto mong i-record for your personal consumption or para ma-share mo. But I feel like there are some moments or some musical moments that is meant to be savored on their own, na hindi mo kailangang i-record. Sana nakatulong to. Comment down below kung may mga experiences kayong ganyan, nakikita nyo nag-video show. Diba? So, yun lang, and good luck sa inyo.